Guys, I just scaled up my Bitcoin long positions because Bitcoin is right now breaking out of our broadening falling wedge to the upside. And this will result in a huge breakout chance for the bulls during the next couple of days. So if you want to know what I'm expecting from the Bitcoin price in the next couple of hours, in the next couple of days, and in the next couple of weeks, then stick around till the very end of this video because I will also update you on two secret altcoins that I bought a couple of days ago and that are also about to break out. So like I said, if you don't want to miss out on any of that, stick around till the very end of this video. I will also update you on my trades. I'm in around $7 million worth of long positions right now. I will tell you exactly at what price levels I will scale those trades up, scale them down, take profits, and so on. And I will also let you know at what price levels I may even open new long positions. But now let's not talk too much. As always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up the like button on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And make sure to leave a comment down below and share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. But let's just jump right into the Bitcoin charts now. And as you guys can see, in yesterday's video, I mentioned this broadening falling wedge that has a quite good potential of breaking to the upside. And as we can see, the Bitcoin bulls are actually right now starting the breakout and are trying to close this 4-hourly candle above the $45,700 or $600-700 level. So if we close this 4-hourly candle, which closes in around 2 hours, above that price level, I'm expecting a further pump to the upside, but I'm expecting some resistance at higher price levels, and I will show you exactly during this video why I'm expecting this resistance and at what price levels. Also, some people mentioned to me that this could also be a falling wedge, and that's 100% true. It doesn't have to be a broadening wedge. I mean, if you draw it like this, it's even cleaner with the 4-hourly closes, so we can maybe say that this is a falling wedge, but either way the resistance line is pretty much the same, and also the breakout target stays very similar, so it doesn't really make a difference if you have this as a falling wedge or as a falling broadening wedge. Either way, the breakout target for this falling wedge now would be around the $47,600 level, which would definitely mean that we flip the 4-hourly EMA ribbons again bullish, which is a very good sign. And if I take a look at the daily chart, this price level would even bring Bitcoin out of our daily EMA ribbons. And as you guys remember, in the past, Bitcoin bounced out of our EMA ribbons quite often in run-ups, and every time we went into the EMA ribbons and the first daily candle that closed above it, almost every time resulted, as long as we didn't break below the EMA ribbons like here, but as long as we stayed in the daily EMA ribbons, the first daily candle that closed out of those daily EMA ribbons always signaled the bottom, and after that we continued the uptrend with a massive amount of buying power, and most of the time also with massive percentage gains. I mean, look at this, for example. This was the last time when we really went deep into the daily EMA ribbons without breaking them to the upside, and after we broke out of them again, I mean, we saw a run up of almost 100% for the Bitcoin price. And right now we are again right inside of our daily EMA ribbons, and I think with the breakout of this falling wedge I just showed you on the 4-hourly time frame, if the bulls should be successful, then we have a chance of closing the daily candle or the tomorrow's daily candle definitely above our daily EMA ribbons. And yeah, that definitely could result in another uptrend up to our red 11-year resistance line that we haven't broken in any bull market yet, but still this would result in a new all-time high for the Bitcoin price. Either way, we definitely just have to keep an eye on the price. As long as we don't break the $44,900 level, everything's looking good. If we break the $44,900 level with a daily candle close below it, then I'm definitely going to scale down my Bitcoin long positions again. But for now, it's not looking all too bad. We have to just hold now with the 4-hourly candle or close this 4-hourly candle above the $45,700 price level. Yeah, we have to, maybe we see a small wick to the downside. We still have 2 hours left. As long as we close this 4-hourly candle above the old resistance, everything is looking good, and we can expect this breakout to be confirmed with the following 4-hourly candles afterwards. Either way, let's not talk too much about Bitcoin. I think this is now a very in-depth update, and you know what you can expect. But one last thing I wanted to show you guys in today's video. I wanted to talk about the higher price level that we should keep an eye on. And I showed you in one of my last videos already that this top consolidation is exactly the same as this top consolidation. We have a pump, we have a dump, we have a pump, we have a dump, we have a pump with a new high, we have a pump with a new high, we have a dump with a higher low, and pretty much just not a dump down to support, and another pump to the upside with a new high. We have a dump, the dump doesn't go down to the support, and we form a new high. Then we see a massive correction down to the support again, we see a massive correction down to the support again, and we see another bounce, and we see another bounce, as we are seeing right now. The only thing is that the last time we saw this kind of price movement on a slightly bigger time frame, we got rejected between the 0.768 and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And if we now take a look where those Fibonacci retracement levels are at our current price action, so if we want to have different results compared to the last price action, we already see that Bitcoin pretty much has to break the $50,800 or the $51,000, to keep it more simple. We have to break the $51,000 to be 100% sure that we don't see a big pump and then the rejection like last time in between the 0.618 and the 0.786. So this will be very, very important that we break through this resistance. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of resistance. We have now the 4-hourly, EMA ribbons, all that kind of stuff. But if we manage to break bullish out of this falling wedge now, reach our price targets, close the daily candle above the daily EMA ribbons, it's still going to be very important that we are not getting stuck between pretty much the $50,000 and $51,000 level like we did last time in this exact same consolidation pattern. Either way, guys, now enough of the Bitcoin price. Let's just jump right into Elrond. As you guys know, one of my favorite altcoins at the moment is Elrond. I bought a lot a couple of days ago, and as we can already see, so far it's going very, very well. I am actually expecting at a max a drop down to around $240. So I expect on the daily time frame Elrond to at a maximum retest the $240 level. So it's old all-time high. Important always, as always, guys, if Bitcoin breaks to the downside, all altcoins will also break to the downside, or almost all of them. So then I'm for sure expecting more downside for Elrond. But let's imagine the Bitcoin price now stays the same or even pumps. Then the worst case I can see for Elrond at the moment is a drop down to $240. But to be honest, on the 4-hourly timeframes, Elrond right now is still looking very bullish. We have a symmetrical triangle. We are bouncing off of our 4-hourly EMA ribbons, and the breakout target would actually be around a 25% pump up to $330 and a drop to the downside. I mean, if we expect a breakout to the downside, like I said, I expect that we, even the breakdown target is a lot lower, like $212. I expect the Elrond price to even bounce earlier at around $240 if we should see a break to the downside. But for now, Bitcoin is looking not too bad, and that's why Elrond, I think, has a good potential of breaking to the upside and then reaching its price target of $330, which, like I said, would be another 25% pump for the Elrond price from the current levels, which would definitely result in a very nice growth of my altcoin portfolio. Now let's talk about the second one, and I'm talking about Solanium. I already mentioned it in yesterday's video a bit, and I have to say it's performing still very, very well compared to Bitcoin, for example. Also, we are seeing a very, very nice gain over the last couple of days. So let's just hope this can continue. As you guys can see, we are at new highs. I think it's going to be just very, very crucial that as soon as possible the Solanium price is able to break its alt high by $4.25. I think as soon as we see that, I expect chart-wise a pump. And sadly, we don't have a chart on TradingView for Solanium. I had to do it on another exchange, but the chart analysis. But I can already tell you that we are forming some bullish chart patterns on Solanium, and I can expect a pump up to the $6 level, so around a 50% gain for Solanium in the near future. So look around definitely for those altcoins as well. If you enjoyed the video, as always, I would really appreciate it if you could smash up the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave a comment down below, share the video with your friends. And other than that, I hope to see you in the next video. I will definitely keep you updated on my trades and also my altcoin positions. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye.